nag-change yung mind.
Sino?
You.
Me? Bakit?
Gano'n. Kasi when I change my mind, sabi mo, okay lang. Parang, okay lang sa'yo. Parang,
No.
sabi mo, okay lang.
No.
Tapos,
You know how many times I must say it to you. Alam ko yung totoo.
Yung magulo.
Hindi na totoo.
times magulo.
Hindi. Alam ko yung totoo. Naniniwala sa'yo. How could you every time asking me if it's okay for me? You know it already. Okay? Hmm? Ano?
Bakit hug?
You don't want to hug?
You want?
You.
Gusto mo?
Hmm?
Uy.
Why? You don't want?
Gusto niyo matouch.
Sino?
Ako. Yung sexy body.
What?
Macho body. Gusto niya.
No.
Sabi mo, hug. Oh. Oh. You want? Klase.
Mayabang. Hmm?
Joke lang. Sige. Hug. Ayaw. Okay.
I asked her first. She said, parang,
Okay, hug.
bakit? Bakit you want to hug me now, huh?
Kasi yung sexy body gusto ko matouch. Parang ganun. Oh, sige, yun kasi yung ano, yung taba. Yung taba.
I don't believe you.
Hug.
Why you want to hug?